Hi everybody and welcome back. We are now going to talk about horizontal asymptotes. So notice I rewrote the definition of a rational function to write out explicitly a definition of the polynomial in the numerator and denominator. That's because to find information about horizontal asymptotes, we are going to need to compare the leading terms here. So let's look at how we are going to do this. So how to find horizontal asymptotes. So notice that this finds horizontal asymptotes, but this procedure also finds other types of asymptotes as well, and those will be the subject of the next video. So, this procedure says you compare the degree of the numerator and denominator. So we compare these powers right here that I circled above. Now, if the degree of the denominator is larger, so that's case 1 here, then it's just automatically y equals 0. No ifs, ands, or buts. No other value will work. But if we have equality, then we also have to take into account the leading coefficients, and y is just going to be equal to the ratio of the leading coefficients. And then, if the degree of the numerator is higher, that will be the subject of our next video. Our first example here. So, following our procedure, we look at the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator, and we see that the degree of the numerator is higher, so the horizontal asymptote is simply y equals 0. And then when we come down here to this problem here, again, we're going to compare the numerator and the denominator, and since they are equal, then we just look at the ratio of the coefficients, and so we just write it down as we read it. So it'll be y equals 4/3. So that's how you find the horizontal asymptotes. Now, I want to point out this particular statement here before we go, that a function has exactly one horizontal asymptote or one of the other types that we'll see in the next video. And it's not going to have one of each, so it's either one or the other, but not both. And so notice that we always either have a horizontal asymptote or one of the other types. So we'll see in the next video what those other types are, and see you then.